Good evening, guys. Today we are going to see a Python Flask program that involves number of HTML files. Let us start with the creating of the project folder as usual. In part 1 and 2, we have seen how to create a simple website using only Python code. There was no HTML pages involved. So the first step as usual is from Flask import import all the libraries. Second step, create the Flask object. And now we need to just provide the roots. This is where we are going to go differently. That is, we will send a HTML file as response. This is the request. This is the response. When somebody requests for the home page, we are sending them index.html. Similarly, if somebody requests for about page, then we will send them the about.html. So this is the standard request response. Where is the request? This one. Where is the response? This one. Let us do it one more time. If the request is for the contact page like this, then what are you going to respond with? By returning a HTML called about.html. Like this. Finally, we run the app. Now we have the Python code ready, but we do not have, a small mistake here. We need to have the contact HTML. Very good. So we are almost ready. What we need is the HTML files. So go back to the project folder and create a template subfolder. Enter into that and then create your 3 HTML files. Index and about.html and contact.html. Okay, so let us have typical headings and then a menu to the other pages like this. About us and contact us like this. Let us also design the about page, about us page and the contact page. So comfortably, we can write our HTML with all the various tags, the CSS, etc. So guys, now we are ready. We have the app.py program and under the templates folder, we have the HTML files ready. Okay, come out of this templates folder. Always cross-check whether the structure is correct or not. We have the app.py and templates folder, which contains the HTML files. Okay, let us give it a shot. Run the program, app.py, and visit the site. There you go. And about us page, contact us page. As simple as that. Now to add a little bit of styling to this, let us go back to our HTML pages and add little bit of CSS. So how do we do that? You can give inline styling like this, or you can give a external CSS style. So let us use Bootstrap. Bootstrap is a ready-made external CSS file. CSS is cascading style sheet. So Twitter company has created the Bootstrap library and they released it for free in open source. So go to getbootstrap.com website. And here if you scroll down, you can see there is a download button. You can download the CSS or there is a shortcut to use the CDN, Content Delivery Network. So you need to just put this one line, just copy the link statement, then come to your HTML pages and provide that line over here. So you are linking to bootstrap.c, some styles over here. Class is equals to alert, and say alert success. And here class equals to btn primary. Class is equals to btn secondary. We are ready with the design, guys. Let us restart our site. Yes. And then refresh the page. And yes, we have a decent look, but there is no margin. So to get a margin, standard Bootstrap says always put your content inside a div, which is a container. Div means rectangle box. Div for division. Okay, one rectangle box. Okay, let us go back to here, restart our site, and we should now have a decent look. See this margin on the left and right panel, and you can just see that all this is functioning. So these margins and all will come when you go for this div class container. Similarly, let us use Bootstrap a little bit more in all other pages also. So this standard heading at the top, go to about page and put the same. Go to contact page and put the same. Now, because in all pages we need the same link statement, same div container, it makes sense to use a template idea, header and footer idea. Because header is common to all pages and footer is common to all pages, we can save time by using a header footer idea that we will see in the next video. Okay, so before we close this topic, I will apply a little bit more Bootstrap to this. I will mention all the branches we have, the city and the branch name. So we have a branch in Vizag city and the branch name is MVP. We have one more branch in Vizag and that is Dwarka Nagar. We have a branch in Hyderabad and that is in Dilshuk Nagar. Okay guys, so I'm going to now demonstrate little bit of Bootstrap styling for a table, how the table can be improvised. As of now, this is the table, little bit very plain and simple. You just say table and table striped. And now we should see little bit improved look and feel for our table. Let us rerun the program. And there you have. So now it is slightly better because of Bootstrap. Because of this single line, we are able to get a good look to the site. There are number of other bells and whistles, more styles you can try. So when you put the mouse on it, see it is changing. It is reacting to the mouse over. Okay guys, that's it. I hope you like the video. Try it out. Any doubts, ask me in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.